Welcome to my channel. Here is a quick tutorial about WCoin. WCoin just announced their snapshots on their Twitter handles and credentials for you to be eligible for the airdrop. And on their Twitter handle, they wrote WCoin snapshot October 27th. Gather your W coins after the snapshot. Chance. Chance might be too late. Prepare. What things you need to verify your account: connect your Ton wallet, complete daily tasks up to 10 days, then claim 10 stakes, active mates. So that is the credential. So I'll be heading over to my WCon right now also to show you how to do all those things and how to stake and all that and how to connect. I know most of us don't know how to connect, and if you have not started on this WCon, check the link at the description of this video and position yourself. This is one of the airdrop that is not asking for money or anything for turn transaction or all these kind of things. This is a very good project to look into. So I'll be heading over to my Telegram right now. Alright, I'm on my Telegram right now on the WCoin mini board. So this is the WCoin mini board. This is what it looks like. So that is it. This is what it looks like right now. So you can end by just tapping on the screen, just tapping, and you get keep on increasing, and as you keep on increasing, the coin keeps on accumulating. So the next thing, in order for it to be verified on WCoin, you have to connect your wallet. And for you to connect your wallet, you have to go to this area here. This area here. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, although I am verified already. So for you to verify, you have to, when you see the area they show connect your wallet, you connect your wallet to your Keeper or your Ton wallet or your Telegram wallet, any of them, and you connect. And you, as you can see, this is the roadmap of the WCoin, and their listing date is close, very very close. You see the game launch, growing community, blockchain selection, WCoin airdrop, exchange listing, and many app rebuilding. So it's very, the next thing you have to, after this, after the blockchain selection, the next thing you see there is WCoin airdrop and the exchange listing. So it's very close, everything is close. So you have to connect your wallet in order for you to verify, and once you connect your wallet, it have to be ticked. Once you see this account verified ticked, that means you are verified. There is no two ways about it. So another thing they say there is for you to stake for at least 10 times. Sorry, stake for at least 10 times. Sorry, just gone out from the app. Okay, sorry for the break. I don't know what is happening to the phone. It's just hanging anyhow. So for you to stake, you have to go to this area where they wrote stake. They say at least stake for 10 days. Once you go for this area, you can see I have some stakes already. It's 7 million, and it will give me, after I stake this, after 14 days I'll be getting 8 million plus. Then this one for 14 days also, but it's remaining 7 days for the stake to finish, and you come back here and claim it. If you want to stake it back, you can still stake it back, and it helps to increase your coins also. So the higher you stake, the longer days you stake, that is the higher the commission you get. So this one too is 55 million of the WCoin, and I'll get 66 million of it. So that is the stake. So for you to know how many times you have staked, you for you to go for this completed. Let's tap on the completed. Let's tap on the completed. These are all the stakes I have done. So you have, they say at least 10 stakes. So you have to go and stake your WCoin. For you to stake, you just see the stake icon there at this area. I wish there was no thing staked here before. You will see the stake icon there, and just tap on the stake, and you can follow through the process. It's very easy. It's very easy to do it. Just follow through the process and you stake. So after how many days you choose, you will see 3 days, you reach 7 days and 14 days. After 7 days or 3 days, depending on how many days you choose, you come back there and claim it. If you want to continue staking, you can continue staking. Remember, the snapshot is on 27th. So another thing they say is to complete task. Complete task. And in order for you to complete task, you have to go to this area here. The area written task. So once you go to the area written task, you tap on it. Sorry. Don't know. Phone is hanging. We must do this. Sorry. clicking on that, another thing showing task. All right. So once you get to the task, you see something like this. So once you head over to the task, you see something like this, as I've said. You see something like this. So for you to complete that, you see the task here. Once every day you come, you see something here for you to claim. It will pop up as a blue icon here for you to claim. You just click there and be claiming it every day. And you make sure, according to the post they made on their Twitter, you must claim at least for 10 days. You must complete tasks for at least 10 days. So you have to be coming here every day to be claiming and be completing the tasks for at least 10 days for it to be eligible for the airdrop. So for you to do that, just click. Maybe I'll be doing this one task. I think I have a task. Just click on the follow button. Once you click on the follow button, you tap on join. Once you join, go back, verify. You tap on verify. Just allow it to load up. Then you see the claim. Then you claim it. So that's how to do the task. You just complete the task and you check how many tasks you have done to know if you are eligible or not. So and you have to have up to at least 10 tasks. And if you check on the completed tasks, I have more than that. On the tasks I have completed, these are so many tasks. So it's more than 10 tasks. It should be around 11 tasks. So make sure you keep on claiming the tasks to complete it. This updraw is a very good potential airdrop. So I think I saw somewhere that they posted about the pre-market, but I've not clarified. I'm not sure about the pre-market also. So also there's another interface here, the WAI. WAI, you just tap on the WAI. So once you tap on the WAI, in order for it to mine on the WAI, just keep on claiming. To claim after 7 hours, you claim and you keep on upgrading. If you tap on this area here, you see the upgrade. You keep on upgrading. Keep on upgrading the WAI. The higher you upgrade, the higher coin you get to get. So that is it, and you can invite your friends for it. That is how to do that. And you make sure you invite friends and all that. That is another important part also, but it's not a compulsory thing for the airdrop. So, but it helps you to get higher allocations. So that is it. So that is that. So if you have not joined this airdrop, so please do well to check the link at the description of the video and also join my WhatsApp group. I'll be dropping the link on my WhatsApp group. And also make sure you follow me on my Twitter. So I've just been show you my Twitter right now. So like just search me on Twitter and follow me up on Twitter also. I'll be dropping updates of potential airdrops that we all can start farming. So I'll be showing you my Twitter profile. Just search on it, search about it with the general one. So that's it. This is my Twitter profile, my Twitter handle. So just search on my Twitter handle, follow me up, and let's vibe. Let's do this thing together. One, two is majority. So let's go. See you on my next one. Bye for now.